Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. You can also visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description. Today we're looking at a 2019 F-150 Lariat in ruby red metallic with black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This vehicle has also been leveled, has new tires, as well it has a tonneau cover. It has a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine. It's a 4x4 and it has an FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates. It also has a trailer tow package, as well as the Lariat Sport package, which gives you the center console and the body-colored grille. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. You also have power folding mirrors, as well as memory for 3 drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and you have that nice all-weather mat on the floor. There's an electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights. The steering wheel has power tilt and telescoping, and there's a grab handle making it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start button. On the dash, any important messages will appear, and you also have a menu you can toggle through. So you have My View, Trip Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, Settings, and these all have submenus. In the center there's a little cubby, as well as the B&O Premium Audio System badging, and you have your hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. You've got a display screen. Right now we're seeing navigation. You can touch on the screen your sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth, and when you put the vehicle in reverse, you can see your backup camera view from there. There we go. We're just going to get out of that, and then we can go into settings and just slide through for different options. Things like automatic updates, you have your Ford Pass Connect, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and so forth. Below is your volume and tuner, and down below that you have dual climate control for both driver and passenger, as well as heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger, AC, as well as max AC, and your front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, Pro Trailer backup, there's a little cubby there, and in the center you have a couple of USB outlets, and then you can just press in the center, it'll close it right up. An automatic select shifter, and this is drive mode, and when you press it, it'll appear on your dash. So there's normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. There's a couple of cup holders, and there's lights at the bottom there. That's your ambient lighting. The armrest opens up, and you've got a nice little bin in there. You can take that out. Down below, lots of room, and a 12-volt. And then off to the side, you also have another 12-volt and 110 outlet, a locking glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener, and there's your lighting controls, as well as your sunglass holder. You have a power sliding window in the back, and that's what that button's for. And today's a nice day, so let's push the button and open up our twin panel moonroof. Nice fresh air and blue skies. Toyo tires, 20-inch wheels, level kit, mud flaps, magnetic colored running board, body colored door handle with intelligent access, meaning when the fob's in close proximity you can lock and unlock the doors, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The tailgate is lockable and removable, and the handle is body colored. Just below the handle you have your backup camera, as well you have backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire, and you've also got that nice tonneau cover. When you want to open up the tailgate, you can do so by double clicking your fob. It power releases it down for you, and in the box it's nicely lined, tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. You also have a tailgate step, and that just makes it easier to get in. And then when you're ready, you can close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob you have remote start and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Easily lift the seat with one hand, it's in the upright position, and then to bring it back down, simply pull the tab and it'll bring it down into the regular seated position. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and in the center you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders. There's an all-weather mat on the floor that runs from one end to the other for easy cleanup, and slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage. In the center there's a couple of cup holders, 12-volt, 110, and USB outlets, as well as air vents on either side, and in the center the buttons control the heated rear seats. In the body there's a grab handle. Up above, hooks handles lighting, that panoramic view, and in the back access to a power sliding window. Body colored bumper, mud flaps, tonneau cover, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, quad beam headlights, halogen fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.